Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this Lexus CT200h is located right here in the rear part of the vehicle. It's a little bit harder to get to. For that reason, we recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. The first step is to remove the trunk carpet and floorboard. Then remove the rear deck floor box and right side floorboard. Next, remove the clip for the right side floor box. You can use a 16mm socket for this. And remove the floor box. And then the floorboard upper plate. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Then remove the battery vent hose from the side of the battery. Be sure to pull this straight out as it is a keyed fitting. Next, open the battery terminal cover and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. And then lower the cover and put it off to the side. Now we can loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down clamp. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. Unhook the J-bolt. And remove the battery hold-down clamp. Then, remove the old battery and install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down clamp. Rehook the J-bolt and tighten the fastener. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And cable connections. Now we can reinstall the battery's vent hose tube into the side of the battery. Be sure the fitting properly sits into the keyway slot. The next step is to reinstall the positive cable onto the battery's positive terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And replace the terminal cover. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal and tighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the floorboard upper plate. And then reinstall the deck floor box and replace the clip. Then, reinstall the right side floorboard and rear deck floor box. Finally, we can reinstall the main floorboard and cargo carpet. And we're done. Some late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.